Hey guys, got something really cool to tell you about. Affinity are offering some of their software for a 90-day free trial during the coronavirus. That's like 3 months of using their software, which is a direct competitor to Adobe's Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, but instead you'd be using Affinity's Publisher, which is their equivalent of InDesign, Affinity Photo, which is their equivalent of Photoshop, and Affinity Designer, which is their equivalent of Illustrator. If you haven't already heard about this, then head over to Affinity's website at affinity.com and you just sign up using your email address and you can get a free 90-day trial and download the software and give it a go. It's also on sale at the moment for £23.99 for each of the softwares, and I believe that is for life, so you don't have to sign up like you do with Adobe and commit to paying a certain amount per month. This is how much you pay in total for their software, including any future updates that they do. So it's a really good deal. From what I can see of the software, it looks pretty good and polished. I haven't really dug into it properly, but it's something that I want to do now that I've got this 90-day trial, so that I can test it out as a graphic designer, and I'll feedback with what I think of those programs as I delve into them further. So look out for some more video casts over the next couple of days, and I'll speak to you all soon, and go and get that free software for a while. Cheers.